Hot on the heels of the Apple iPhone 16 event, Chinese tech giant Huawei has unveiled the world's first triple folding phone, the hotly rumored XT. In the first real video we got of someone handling the device, a gloved presenter very delicately folded and unfolded the device, showcasing that it's versatile but also making me question slightly the durability of those hinges.
What do you mean my gloves are weird?
Regardless, the Mate XT unfolds into a 10-inch display, the equivalent of an iPad mini. It's powered by Huawei's in-house Kirin chips and has local AI features, so I just can't wait to use it to read manga. Do very serious work, like reading off a PowerPoint presentation? Seriously, what's with that ad, Huawei? All that's left is for me to buy it and...
A lifetime of poor spending, saving, and investment decisions.
Oh. Priced at an eye-watering $2,800, the Huawei XT is more than 3 times the price of the latest iPhone and about double the price of previous flagship folding phones, like Huawei's X5 or the Z Fold 6. But it isn't just expensive. It's a statement. Huawei is not only positioning this as a premium alternative to the iPhone, it's also using this opportunity to challenge the US phone maker. In 2023, Apple was still the largest phone maker in China. But like other foreign phone makers, it's faced significant challenges selling phones in China, dropping down to 5th place in the latest reports.
Wait, why did it fall that much?
Well, first of all, there's rising nationalistic sentiments. Having weathered global sanctions, Huawei has risen up as an embodiment of China's high-tech manufacturing prowess. It's spearheaded the development of Chinese-made microprocessors and also folding phones.
And Apple can't really tell that story as a Western brand.
Right. Amongst other issues, it's increasingly difficult for Apple's phones to be appealing to citizens who are, well, increasingly keen to show their patriotism.
So it's just geopolitics?
Well, no. Phones have been getting more and more expensive and premium. The most expensive, iPhone 15 Pro Max, is the best-selling phone in the world, in large part due to the fact that it's the most expensive phone in Apple's lineup. You can check out TechAlter's breakdown on why that is, but especially in China, local phone makers have been duking it out amongst themselves to create the most exclusive, thinnest, most durable, and powerful folding phones. iPhones used to be the highest end and most prestigious phone you could buy, but now, thanks to Huawei, Samsung, and Motorola, folding phones now have that dubious honor. That's not the only way Huawei's XT sticks it to Apple. They still included some mentions of how AI integrates directly into the Huawei operating system today. ChatGPT, which is Apple's partner, is banned in China, and Apple Intelligence, being set to release in Chinese only next year, has had some internet users riled up. Reuters report one enthusiastic Weibo user commenting,
如果没有人工智能作为最
That
大
AI is the biggest selling point. The iPhone should be about half the price.
Now, personally, I would say that how useful these integrated AI features actually are is still up for debate, given that we've seen that kind of integration in other smartphones in the past, and it's not proven exceedingly useful or irreplaceable by independent apps. Regardless, Huawei still has a win in that category. Huawei opened up pre-orders, though with no deposit, and it allegedly received 4 million pre-orders already.
All right, so that means that Apple's folding phone is boring in comparison, right?
Well, it doesn't exist yet. It is rumored to release a folding phone next year. Every poll I've seen about folding phones asks about a theoretical Apple foldable, so I'm excited to see what that release will look like, especially in the Chinese market where Samsung and other Western brands have struggled to leave their mark. The Huawei XT's launch is about so much more than just cool hardware, but also, oh my god, I can't wait to get my hands on that cool hardware. So let me know if you think I should go on a reporting trip to Shenzhen to talk to them. If you want to see events as they unfold, I guess you should just make sure you're subscribed and take care.
Take care.